Hello guys, my name is Yu and today I'm going to teach you how to do an easy magic trick with these cards. You only need 21 cards and put the rest of the cards aside. Okay, first you're going to ask the opponent choose a card, but in this case I'm just explaining, so I'm just going to do it alone. But okay, you're going to tell the opponent, don't tell me the card you picked and you remember it in your head. In this case, I'm going to choose this card, 3. Okay, and then first, you're going to have to split it into 3 groups. Don't mess up the order though. This might take long. Okay, and then you're going to ask the opponent which groups is your card in. In this case, it's right here in this group. So I'm just gonna put this group in the middle like this, and then you're gonna have to do it again. Okay, it's right here. Okay, you're gonna put it in the middle. And then last time, again, it's in here. Okay, it's in here. So I'm gonna put this in the middle. Like this. Okay. And then you're gonna flip this card. You're gonna count it to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the next card is my card.
Hi, my name is Sashira and we're doing the magic trick with our friend Amir.
Hi, my name is Yu.
And my name is Amir.
Okay. Pick any card from here. Picked. I'll follow your cards. Which card is it? I'm gonna do it again. What is it? Beautiful. One last time.